Okay, this is from chapter 4. It's problem E4.6, and what they've given you is a bunch of data. Okay, we got a selling price per unit, product costs per unit, then marketing, administrative costs, and other fixed costs, and sales volume are all per month. Okay, well, the volume of mugs per month, so that's like, more of a count, not a dollar amount. And then the shipping cost per unit, okay, that's paid for by the company. And what they want you to do is prepare a contribution format income statement with different assumptions, okay, and the assumptions differ with each requirement here. So the first question is, how much monthly income does T Company currently have? So what we got, that's not it. Hold on a second here. Let's see. There we go. Okay, we've got sales. Let's just look at this here. Sales of, I can leave it right there, $18 times 90 units, $16.20. And then for variable cost, we've got product cost, 7 times the 90 units, and shipping is $3 per unit times 90 units. So my contribution margin is $720. Okay, and notice how they made these things separate. Like, can you imagine if the homework combined all these numbers on you? Okay, so when you prepare a schedule for me or something for on an exam, you want to make sure that you show it separately, and it'll help not only your grade, but also your understanding of the problem with the assumptions. So fixed costs, our fixed costs were marketing, administrative, and other, and these were fixed costs per month. Okay, so our current operating income is $220. All right. The next one has us. The next one, how much would operating income be if it to earn the company? How much income would it earn the companies if marketing costs increased to $250 per month and volume increased to 100 mugs per month? Okay. Okay. So and shipping costs went down to $2 per unit. So we're increasing marketing, increasing volume, and reducing shipping costs. Okay. Like you're going to answer me. Now, what's nice about this is that you can have all these changes and reflect it pretty quickly in a contribution margin statement. So we've got sales of 1,800, okay, because now we've got 100 units. So that's up from what we had here, okay, in the original one. Our shipping costs decreased by $1 times 100 units, that's 200. Product costs didn't change, they're still 7 by 20. And the only other thing that changed here was marketing. That marketing went from 100 to 250. Administrative and other costs are the same. Our income increased by $30. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. This is how much operating income would it earn if it shifted the shipping cost to the customer? So now we would have 0 shipping costs while lowering the selling price to $17. Okay, and everything else stayed the same as it was originally. So now all we're going to do is get rid of shipping and lower the selling price. Care to guess? Okay. Here's the last one. We're lowering our selling price to $17, and there's our original quantity of 90. And product costs are 7 times 90. Contribution margin of 900. Less fixed costs, marketing, administrative, and other. Marketing went back down again. What else did we change? Something else? Change the selling price. Oh, we got rid of the shipping, so there's no shipping costs up here at all. So operating income went from $220 originally to $400. You had to make a really big difference. Okay, I'm surprised that the volume didn't increase at all with the decrease in selling price. Okay. So the highest income is generated in scenario C. And what I want you to start paying attention to, more careful attention to, are the formats used by the problems. All right. Notice that there's not a dollar sign on every single line. Only on maybe the major headings, but for sure at the top and the bottom of the column. But that's the only required ones. This one is kind of nice here. And then the fixed costs are taken apart. They're not summarized in one number. All right, because you're communicating here with a financial statement reader. So that's why, even if it's an internal person, but that's why everything having a description on it and a nice format is really important. And that's my speech.